All right, action. Hello, my name is Alberto Robles. um, 3 weeks ago, I started something new. Something that never really crossed my mind until the opportunity landed, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to take up um, to learn on how to repair appliances, residential appliances. Um, And I guess starting as knowing nothing and going through 3 weeks, I want to say I learned a lot. I liked it a lot that it was um, a lot of hands-on included, and we had a good professor, easy to understand. Oh, that I could ask as many questions as I liked, and they had no problem explaining it to me as many times as I needed it. I guess not that I needed it that much, but you know. Um, Yeah, very comfortable learning experience, I'd say. 5 stars. Now and then we could talk about the menu. So always had breakfast and lunch Monday through Friday. Kadisha will warn us that it's not great, but it's good and it's warm, which it was, and it was good. Um, you know, like I'm not even lying, it was good. Every time she said that it's not that good, I was like, I'm hoping it's actually gonna be good again. So, and yeah, it would be good. Same thing with breakfast. Um, and there's always that fruit option as well. Um, and then we had ice cream like I don't know when was it, this Thursday. Yeah, so they took care of us, learning wise, appetizer wise, energy wise. So yeah, come down here and sign up.